I'm guarded with the mission. I simply gotta glisten. I gotta pack these pistols cause I'm on another mission. I gotta kick and grind. I gotta take the shine. But maybe I will die. Wouldn't really know. I gotta ask the Lord. But will he respond? Oh no. I gotta speed it up. I gotta quick it down. Shit, homeboy, you ain't fucking without a clown. I'm gonna catch you now. I'll put you in the dirt. Yes, you'll be the first. The cops are gonna find you tugged in the dirt like you tucked in. Shit, homeboy, I'm gonna steal your win just because I wanna be the first. I know that I'm cursed. I must have been the first. I know they despise the way I live my life, but how can I ever make it change? I'm gutted in the game. My brothers know my name. I know I'm cursed. I must have been the first. Why did they lead me to be the first? The worst curse that could bring to this world. Should I end it at 2012? Wouldn't really care cause I'm going to hell. And if I ever fell or faltered before the beginning, the living of my sinning is just another day. I'll cause pain, mayhem before I pass away. Okay, I'm game. And if I ever lose my sane, I'll go insanity and grab at me if you want. And I'm gonna be the gutter motherfucker and there's your loss. I know that I'm cursed. I must have been the first. I know they despise the way I live my life, but how can I ever make it change? I'm gutted in the game. My brothers know my name. I know I'm cursed. I must have been the first. I know that when I spent all this pain while I was in this silly game, I've remained tame. Before I lose my brain, can I maintain the sane of my sanity? Cause I need to feel nothing, please. Oh damn Lord, when you take me, bring me home. I just wanna go home, go home, go home, go home. I'm gutted in the game, I'm gutted in the game. Why am I cursed? Oh, why am I cursed? My brothers feel the pain, my brothers feel the pain. I know that I'm the first. I know that I'm the first. Alright, stay greasy, best believe me, homie. You got it.